Hi, I'm Barry Brucker, the mayor of Beverly Hills. This is our Concours de Elegance. Every year on Father's Day we put on a magnificent classic car show, and we have some cars from around the world, top cars in the field, and what a better way to celebrate Father's Day right here in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Ward. I'm the designer and owner of TLC, and I'm sitting in what we call the Icon FJ40. It's basically a revisitation of the classic Toyota Land Cruiser Jeep style, but for a decidedly more modern environment. So we manufacture the Icon here in Southern California. It's a team of 7 men. We build 24 a year entirely by hand. And there's other things that are, drastically redesigned, where we were still loyal to the exterior silhouette of the original 1960s FJ40. We made drastic changes in the weight distribution, drivetrain design, center of gravity, weight balance, and ergonomic values. We have 2 different design packages. The vehicle I'm sitting in is called an Old School, which has more of a retro throwback feel to the original. The vehicle next to us that you can look at is called the New School, which is more of like an industrial technical tool. And our power plants, we run either 4-cylinder, 2.8 international intercooled turbo diesels that are biodiesel compatible, or we run Corvette series V8s ranging from 350 to 450 horse. All sorts of unique details. My sun visors we source from Learjet, because all the automotive visors, unfortunately, are all plastic and not a quality-driven product. My AC vents in the dash are also aircraft sourced. They come from Cessna. They're anodized aluminum as opposed to the plastic garbage that's prevalent in automotive stuff. These are made by Destaco. They're a 100-plus-year-old US Sub-Zero refrigeration company. So this maintains the original utility value of being able to drop your windshield flat on the hood for really aggressive off-road use. My steering wheel is from a Hellcat diesel, which is the highest end of Caterpillar's products. So it gave us the utility value that we wanted. And it's not flashy, it's all about the utility. All of my knobs are handmade in a CNC out of solid chunks of stainless. We hand knurl them, hand engrave, and hand enamel them. We understood from our customers over the years with our parent company, TLC, which caters to the original vintage Land Cruiser market, that there really wasn't anything offered by new car manufacturers anymore that said something about your personality, who you are in a utility vehicle that was refined in something special.
So why'd you choose the Maserati as the mayor's choice?
Well, I'm a real Maserati fan, and this is an old 1950s Maserati, and it's just a sweetheart of a car. And I knew my wife loves red, so I had no choice.